In this video, is it worth buying Delta SkyMiles? I will explain step by step when it is worth buying Delta SkyMiles. First, go to the Delta Airlines website in your browser. Log into your SkyMiles account. After logging in, find the option called Buy Miles. Click this option to see the price of available miles. Now, compare the price of miles with the cash price of the flight. Search for your desired flight by entering departure and destination. Check the cost of the flight when paying with money. After that, check how many miles are required for the same flight. Now, calculate the value per mile by dividing the flight price by the number of miles. Usually, each mile is worth about 1.1 to 1.5 cents. Buying miles may be worth it when there is a promotion or discount. It can also be useful when you need a few more miles for a reward flight. In many cases, buying miles without a promotion can be expensive. Always compare the flight price before purchasing miles. Check if the value per mile is reasonable. International or business class flights may give better value. Review your options before making a decision. This helps you decide if buying Delta SkyMiles is worth it.